Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Mazda 3 cabin filter. First, ensure you have a new cabin filter and a small Phillips head screwdriver ready. Park your vehicle on a level surface for safety and ease of access. The cabin filter is conveniently located behind the glove box, making this an accessible DIY task. This simple maintenance improves air quality inside your car significantly. Now let's access the filter. Begin by completely emptying everything from your glove box. Next, carefully press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the small stops that hold it in place. Once released, gently lower the glove box down. This will reveal the rectangular housing cover where your cabin filter resides, making it easy to proceed. With the housing exposed, unclip the two retaining clips on the cover. Gently pull out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Before discarding it, take a moment to note the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction, typically towards the rear of the vehicle. Finally, let's finish up. Securely reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap firmly into place. Then, carefully push the glove box back up until it clicks into its original closed position. You've successfully replaced your Mazda 3 cabin filter. For more helpful resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, and other great deals, please check the description below this video. Remember to replace your filter every 15,000 to 20,000 miles for optimal air quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.